What grabs attention and separates you from competition better than an eye-catching logo of your business? With its library of customizable logos, Canva made it ridiculously easy for you to choose the perfect logo for yourself and your business. And the best part is that you don't need to pay for it and you can do it in just minutes. Let me show you how. So once you're on Canva homepage, to access Canva's logo library, we need to type in logo up here in the search bar. This then opens a canvas where we can start designing our own logo. So now on our left-hand side, you will see the logo templates here. And on the top, you'll see that they're categorized by different themes and categories. Here, if you already have something in your mind, you could go with a certain category. However, I think it's best to keep an open mind and see all the options. So for this, let's scroll down, and here you'll see the section where it says all results. This section gives us all the different kind of logo templates that there are in Canva for you to modify. And here you can have a look at all the pre-designed logo templates by Canva, and as soon as you find something you like, you can always modify it to suit your business and brand. Now, let's be mindful here that not all logo templates are free to use, so what you need to look here is the logo that says free in the bottom right-hand corner of them. So for the purpose of this video, I'll choose one that I can work with, and I'll go with this one. And once you click on it, it'll open itself on the canvas. So here, let's first type in our text, which will ideally be our business name. So for me, it will be Social Design Studio. And let's select the text and adjust the size and font of the text. Maybe let's divide our text by adding another text box and cutting and pasting a part of it here. We can also add some more shapes and effects, so let's search something in the Elements tab here. I'll try first a pen and maybe scribble. And let's see. And let's try to work these elements into our designs. Also, another important thing about logo design is that you always want to use your brand colors. So mine would be grapefruit pink and turquoise. Now this looks nice and I like it. I think it has really come together. So now I want to go ahead and download it. Select share and then download down here. I'll have it as a PNG, and if you have Canva Pro, it is always better for you to save it with a transparent background. Yep. This is basically what you get by modifying pre-designed Canva logos. It's pretty easy and ridiculously fast. Alright guys, I hope this was useful. This was the fastest way to create a logo using Canva. I have other videos on logo creation with Canva. Please check them out, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.